What's up, guys? This is the nicest home on the block, literally the entrance of the block. This is Village of the Four Seasons, unit number 1. Now this home is being priced ready to sell as is. We got Pinky over there and Punky here, and we got Nugget and Lily that's going to show us the home. Now, mind you, this home is being sold as is, but the cool perk of this is it's basically a 4-bedroom. It's not technically a 4-bedroom because the 4th bedroom doesn't have a closet, but it's been highly desirable. We've been getting a ton of calls on this home. But check this out. This is the great room area. So the sellers needed to move quickly. So there's still some stuff in here. There's still stuff that might need some fixing, but there's no huge major repairs that are known about this home. So basically, the dogs are going to inspect everything to make sure. We got Nugget in the red sweater and Lily in the green sweater. But this is the office bedroom, or the office room, which is called a bonus room. It's a bit dark in here. There's no lights in here anymore. But it doesn't have a closet, but it can be easily made into a 4th bedroom if we added a closet. There's 2 bedrooms this way, but let's take a quick look at the guest bath. They have a quartz countertop on the vanity right there, and then this is one of the guest bedrooms, and then we have the 2nd guest bedroom right here. So if someone were to purchase this, you can easily repaint, redo the flooring. You can do a lot with this home for the price that it's at. So this whole great room area, they use this as the dining area, and we'll go back to that area in a bit. But this is the master bedroom. Check this out. If we paint this white, I'm not a big fan of this blue, but you got a medium-sized walk-in closet here, and then you have a his and hers sink and bathtub. So if any of you guys are interested, just so you know, we sometimes have sellers that need to move quickly and we need to get it sold, and we're really good at helping them be able to still maximize value without having to fix a ton of stuff. And that's what we're doing here. So this home's being sold as is. So this home has a beautiful porch area, a very long porch right on that side where Pinky was, if you don't remember seeing that. But this open great room is really a perfect place for people to host an event, host family visitors, that type of thing. And then this is the kitchen area. So we're missing a fridge. I guess it doesn't come with a fridge, but that's the kitchen area right here. And then also they used to have this as like a morning, a coffee area. So they had a small table here. They watched out for the view this way, and it was really cool. And then you have your own private laundry area right behind me here. And that's pretty much the tour of this home. If you guys don't know, the Village of the Four Seasons is in a prime location. So it's in San Jose off of Ford Road, and it is a family park. So you could easily fit 3 cars, possibly even 4 into this driveway. But if you know somebody that's looking to buy or sell their home, let us know, share this video. And then if you do live in a mobile home, just know that knowing the value of your home is very key, and it's a very powerful thing to have. Plus, we do that at no cost. So we do free CMAs if you ever want to find out, and let us know in the comments which part of the home you are most interested in. And also, we have an open house that's happening that's going to be in the description. Thanks for watching, and take care from Lily and Nugget. Bye!